Here's your cookie. I might be pregnant. God. Seriously, like.
I told Chris about you being able to shove a whole 6-inch in your mouth.
Why does everyone need to know that I can fit a 6-inch Subway? Look how big this bite is.
I'll shove this whole thing.
Look, a Pac-Man.
And our sandwich back to the original prices of $6.50.
Why are you moving?
Turkey and ham provolone toasted.
What? What?
Oh, here.
What?
I knew. Okay,
No, it's so good.
I can eat one of these without even breaking it apart. Look. You can just jam it in your mouth.
I like you, Chris.